Structure and organize your course materials by adding units and lessons to your course offering. This tutorial shows the steps to add units and lessons to your course offering. Click the Course Options menu in the Table of Contents panel and select Add Unit to add a unit to your course. Enter a name for the unit and click Save. The module displays on the canvas. Note, the unit number is determined by its order in the table of contents. Lessons give your course another level of organization, allowing you to separate related lesson plans within the same unit. To add a lesson, click Add Lesson. Then, enter a name for it and click Save. The lesson appears on the canvas. Note, new units and lessons are hidden from learners by default. Make the course materials visible once you are ready to share them. The lesson appears in the table of contents, nested following the unit. Structure and organize your course materials by adding units and lessons to your course offering.